Woohoo! Can you wave? Look at you in your new Man U jersey. Look at you in your new Man U jersey. Let's get the shorts on. You're about ready to stick somebody. I can see it. Look at you, look at you, look at you.
Okay. Ready? Look at Daddy. Where?
Buff, buff, buff. Buff, buff, buff.
Yay! Should we show him the back?
Yeah.
Woo!
Ronaldo. Wasn't the first choice. We tried everything else, but settled with Ronaldo. Look at you in your new jersey! Yeah! Well.
Hi. What are you doing? Do you want some more snack? Hmm? I'm eating dried figs, huh? Dried figs. I see you. Where are you going? I'm gonna go down the stairs. Can you come? Can you come? I see you. Trouble. Tanner. It's not to stand on. No, no, no. Come on, come down here. Come down here, I'll give you some water. Come on, you want some of this? Okay, come on. Come on. Ollie, come here. Okay, over here. Tanner, you want some water? Come on. I'll give you some of this. Come on. Ollie, come here. Want some? Come on. Can you get down? Good job. Good job. You got the water. Tanner, you want to show people how you get off the couch? Okay, get off the couch. Tanner. Okay, ready? 1, 2. Where's Ollie? Can you get off the couch? No. These books. Huh. You want to see this book? Okay, go get it. Go get the book. Go get the book and I'll read it to you. Okay? Go on.